Hello guys, I just want to go ahead and explain to you guys what's in 2020 CES, what's out there now, and it seems like there is really nothing out there for the micro level drones, small drones I would say. Right now in that booth is only the DJI. Of course they have their Tello, they can still show that, and they also have their Mavic Mini. I think they still shows their Spark, but they're focusing on the Osmos and also the RoboMaster and their 249 gram drone. So there's really nothing out there in the market. I don't know why. I guess everybody's not scared of remote ID, the FAA, the regulations. You know, it seems like you're spending a lot of money on the drones, and next thing you notice, it's basically getting in trouble. But there's one competitor out there that they're in their booth, and actually it's called the Micro Drone 4.0. They've been out in the market now. They actually made the Micro Drone 4.3 version and 4. Whatever 2 version, but now they can actually come up with the micro level drone that is actually 160 gram. So it's lighter than, I would say, than a Mavic Mini, and heavier than a Tello. So yeah, so the app on this is pretty interesting. That's why I got, I'm like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm for sure gonna get this one and show you guys what they're trying to show you here in the app. But it has different mode to it, and it also has gesture mode. It has waist point, guys, in this little mini drone. I mean, even a Mavic Mini don't even have that. And so this micro drone has it built in there, and yeah, it's different ways of flying this drone, I guess. And so I think it's gonna be around $200. So if you buy the combo, it comes with the battery and I think a controller. It's probably like around 250 or 260. They probably have deals on the combo, the flight combo. And yeah, so I know this company's been out for a while now, and they're in Indiegogo. They finally got the production done, and the pre-order I think starts in February, and the shipping starts in March. So if you're interested on it, I don't know about the beta because it seems like they didn't even fly it in the booth. They're just showing you guys the app and the video quality, but it doesn't fly and hover. I don't know why, but it's kind of interesting how there's really no micro drone out there in the market, and you can hear this micro drone here. You can hear it's pretty legit, the sound of it. It's not loud, and it's different. I mean, you can see the 2-axis gimbal. There's a lot of knockoff version out there, like drones. I don't really do those. I don't really do, if you see my videos, my previous video, I don't really do reviews on those, but I do reviews like this, because this one's pretty legit. The app is pretty legit. It hovers pretty decent. I mean, it flies here. I don't know why they did not fly this in CES, but it seems pretty decent. I don't know. Let me know, guys, what you guys think of this Micro 4.0. And the looks kind of remind me of Mark drone. I don't know if you guys have seen that. If you see my video, I actually did that one, but it's actually a foldable drone. But this one right here is not foldable. It's kind of like, this body style is basically supposedly compare this to a Spark competitive, but now DJI came out with the Mavic Mini, but now, guys, you can actually get a DJI Spark for $200 or less. Okay, so I don't know if this thing, I don't know if this one probably doesn't have no GPS. I know that for sure, because it's just using the bottom position sensing. I don't know if they're using infrared, but it seems like they're just using a camera. So it's gonna be interesting how this thing hovers. But it seems hovering though. I mean, you guys see in the video here, it's pretty windy. You can see the trees moving a little bit, and you can see this micro drone 4.0. But you see the video here, it's kind of shaky. I don't know if this is in a fast mode or slow mode. It seems like maybe a former update, maybe still a beta. But I don't know, we'll see. He said it's supposed to be butter smooth. This one it doesn't, so we'll see about that. And it flies. So of course it's probably limited, the flight on this. Probably about 60 meters away. Not too sure exactly what's the range on the Wi-Fi, but yeah, it seems like it's pretty handle. If you guys see the video over here, it seems like the drone handle is pretty decent. So with this in the box in the CES, you guys can see, I mean, the motor, the way they're explaining to you guys here, it seems, I mean, if you get one of those cheap drones, they have this, you know, brushed motors kind of type with pulley, you know. It's kind of, I guess for the, I think the reason why the micro drone 4.0 have this because of the weight of the gimbal, you know, so they need more for the lift, so the motor won't burn out. And of course a 2-axis gimbal, but the camera on this one, guys, is actually a Sony, so it's gonna be interesting. Now if you go to the website, you can go to their GoGo app, and you can see what this company is all about, and it can show you guys if you get the combo, if you get the you know, if you decided to get the Fly More combo, or you know, you can get it for a little decent price, I think, with the controller. But the company is pretty legit. You can see over here, you know, it seems like they're on track, on time, and that's about it. Hopefully it's gonna be out soon, around March. You know how I do with my reviews. I will put this thing in extreme environment. I mean, I'm telling you, guys, I mean, I'm gonna put exhaust moment on this micro level drone. So stay tuned to my channel. If you didn't subscribe, because it's what I do. This is gonna be a really interesting year for 2020. I can't wait to get this in my hand, compare it to a Tello, compare it to a Mini, and because I just want to see the gimbal, maybe to DJ Spark, how the 2-axis gimbal, what's all about. And yeah, so it's gonna be interesting how this micro 4.0, so it comes with the 2-axis gimbal. It's very interesting with the Sony sensor camera on it. It's 1080p. We're gonna go ahead and see. I think it comes with the SD card, so it's a good thing. But like I said, I will put every moment of this thing. I will tell you guys what's, you know, if it's worth it, and tell you everything about it. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share for more video to come.